Hey gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best car window shades that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is ZATOOTO Side Window Shade. ZATOOTO 4 pieces black privacy car window sunshade is a practical solution for anyone seeking cooler and more private car interiors. These magnetic curtain blinds offer a simple way to reduce sunlight exposure while enhancing comfort during travel, rest, or sleep. With easy roll-up closure and flexible installation, each curtain attaches using strong magnets that hold firmly to iron window frames. Installation takes only a few seconds without the need for extra tools or effort. Each curtain measures 29.1 inches in length and 18.8 inches in width, providing full coverage for side windows. The black satin fabric used is odorless and gentle on the skin, giving a sleek and noble look to any vehicle. Louver folds enhance the design, while the environmentally friendly materials help keep the inside temperature cooler during hot weather. The ZATOOTO window shade set includes 16 magnets in each piece, ensuring a more secure hold than many other options that use fewer magnets. It fits most car models, but may not be perfect for aluminum, carbon fiber, fiberglass, or plastic materials. Before purchase, testing with a regular magnet is recommended. This curtain provides good privacy and is especially helpful when traveling with children or when someone wants to nap inside the vehicle. It does not come with a sliding rail and is not a custom-fit model, but it remains a helpful and affordable choice. Designed for universal use, these curtains work best with magnetic metal surfaces. The product also comes with refund support for quality concerns unrelated to human misuse, offering confidence to new buyers seeking a trustworthy and useful car accessory. In our list, the number 2 product name is Kinder Fluff Car Window Shade. Kinder Fluff Car Window Shade 4-pack offers a simple way to protect children and passengers from sunlight during travel. Each shade measures 20 inches long by 12 inches wide and is made to fit most windows in small and medium-sized vehicles. This set includes 2 transparent and 2 semi-transparent shades, giving flexibility based on how much coverage is needed at different times. These sunshades are known for their strong protection against ultraviolet rays. They are tested and certified to block over 99.79% of ultraviolet A and over 99.95% of ultraviolet B rays. That makes them suitable for protecting sensitive skin, especially for young children sitting in the back seat. The material used is 120 grams per square meter thick with a special 15S film and a secure clamp that adds to the durability. The design is made for twisting and folding, which allows easy use and storage. A storage pouch is also included, making it convenient for families who often go on road trips or vacations. The shades are not limited to use in only one type of vehicle. They are helpful in cars, trucks, vans, sport utility vehicles, and even buses or trains. Whether traveling with babies, toddlers, pets, or older children, these window covers help keep the vehicle cooler and more shaded. It is also a helpful option for people looking for thoughtful gifts for new parents or families with young kids. These shades make long drives more comfortable for everyone inside the vehicle without blocking the view completely. In our list, the number 3 product name is Moly Magnolia Car Window Shade. Moly Magnolia 2-pack Universal Car Window Shade in black offers excellent coverage for keeping your child protected during rides. With a length of 25.63 inches and a width of 15.16 inches, it fits most side windows in standard vehicles and larger sport utility vehicles. This cling sunshade helps block over 98% of ultraviolet rays, supporting your baby's comfort by reducing glare and excess sunlight. It helps keep the inside of your car cooler, making long journeys more pleasant for young passengers. Designed with attention to visibility, the shade allows clear sight lines for drivers while shielding children from direct sunlight. It does not interfere with rear view mirrors or windows, maintaining a safe and distraction-free driving experience. The sleek black finish blends with most car interiors and offers subtle appearance while functioning effectively. Its installation process is quick and user-friendly. The sunshade uses strong vacuum suction cups to attach firmly to the window surface. There is no need for complicated setups or stiff cardboard sheets. The flexible material is easy to manage and folds down neatly using the twist-to-fold method, saving space in your car organizer. Whether you are driving across town or on long road trips, this shade gives protection without blocking your child's view. It works well with infant car seats and is suitable for families with children or pets needing shield from sunlight. A thoughtful gift for new parents or car lovers looking for practical interior accessories. In our list, the number 4 product name is EcoNour Car Side Window Shade. EcoNour Car Side Window Sunshade in a 2-pack design helps improve comfort inside your vehicle during sunny days. Each shade measures 16.93 inches in length and 14.96 inches in width, offering good coverage for side windows. It is made with durable polyvinyl chloride material and attaches easily with the included suction cups, helping you manage sunlight while driving with children or passengers. This roller-style sunshade is fully adjustable, allowing control over how much light enters through the window. It helps block strong glare and supports a cooler temperature inside the car by limiting direct sunlight. This makes trips smoother for infants and other passengers who are sensitive to bright light. The retractable system adds convenience, letting you roll it down or fold it up when not needed. EcoNour Sunshade can also offer privacy while parked or on the road, keeping the interior less visible from outside. With a strong hold provided by the suction cups, it stays in place and works well for short drives or longer travel. It is useful across different weather conditions where sunlight can become harsh and disturbing during motion. Simple to set up, this window shade offers a smooth solution for sun exposure without making the car look cluttered. It works well with other baby car accessories and blends with various interior styles. Ideal for families or drivers seeking basic yet helpful car interior support, this sunshade is a smart choice to increase comfort without complicated installation steps. In our list, the number 5 product name is TechSpanner Car Window Shades. TechSpanner Car Window Shades in black offer support for families looking to reduce sunlight and improve privacy while driving. Each pack includes 2 breathable mesh covers designed to fit various car models, including trucks, sedans, sports utility vehicles, and crossovers. With dimensions of 39.8 inches in length and 18.9 inches in height, these shades cover the rear side windows from edge to edge. The mesh material allows fresh air to flow while blocking strong rays, making the interior more pleasant for young passengers. It helps protect kids and family members from sunburn or high heat exposure on warm days. These covers also offer privacy, creating a more secure space without blocking the outside view for those seated inside. Since the mesh is stretchable, the shades fit many window shapes such as rectangular, curved, or slanted designs. This makes it useful for different vehicle types without requiring adjustments or additional clips. The design also lets you roll the window up or down freely, adding comfort for those who enjoy airflow while keeping the sun away. The car window screen is easy to manage and does not rely on glue or suction, which helps keep the car clean and organized. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.